Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over affiliate marketing, what it is, and my best tips to succeed in affiliate marketing. So if you want more kind of influencer how-to videos, make sure you like this video and comment down below letting me know what you want to see next. Let's get right on into this video and don't forget to subscribe. I have my notes in front of me like before and let's get right on into this. So affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn commission through sales of a product. So this can either be in trackable links or a percentage of a total sale. So as for an example, say I buy a pair of jeans at Abercrombie and I post a photo of them on my Instagram. I can go through a third-party website and link that pair of jeans on my Instagram story or my link in bio. And you can go and click on that link, and if you purchase those jeans, I get a percentage of that sale. That is basically what affiliate marketing is. Now, I have been doing this for about, I think I got accepted mid-2020 to Likes to Know It, which is a big affiliate marketing program. I will go over more of those a little bit later. The more people you have that want to buy your stuff, that you are promoting, that you are wearing, the more money you're gonna make. That's the first thing I wanna say. Is that the bigger the audience you start with, the more successful you're gonna be. I started Like to Know It with about 500 followers, and it took me almost 2 years to get a payout. Now, that is one of the cons of this business, is that there's a payment threshold. So you have to hit a certain amount of money made in order to get a payout, which is usually about $100. It doesn't happen overnight. It's a really lucrative business. A lot of people are linking similar products. You have to be able to sell the product well. And it can also take up to 60 days for the sale of the product to completely close. Sometimes it's more, especially with the last 2 years with everything going on. A lot of stores have increased their return window. So there's always going to be some balance kind of hanging in the wind, waiting to be collected. If someone buys something from one of your links and then returns it, the commission is subtracted from your overall total. So even if someone returns it, you do not get to keep. Some popular sites that do affiliate marketing that a lot of bloggers use are Like to Know It, ShopStyle, Amazon, ClickBank, and Rakuten. Now, I use Like to Know It. It took me a couple months to get accepted into their program. I don't know if it's a little bit different now. I have not yet been accepted to Amazon's influencer program. I need to check on that. But there are many ways you can earn commission off of purchases through these sites. Now, do I recommend being signed up for more than one site? I would say no, because then it's going to be harder to hit those payment thresholds that you need to hit. And the sun is coming out and I'm too bright. Okay. So I do not recommend being a part of multiple sites unless it's just like specific to a store like Amazon. I know you can get more commission through Amazon's affiliate program than you can linking Amazon products on other affiliate program sites. So if you can get accepted to Amazon, I would try to get accepted to Amazon and one of the other platforms that is a more wide variety of stores and products. And speaking of that, some stores have their own programs. Now, like I am also a part of the Parade affiliate program, so I get a percentage of sales that are made with my code or through my links. Sometimes you'll have a code, sometimes you won't, sometimes it'll just be like a tracking link. And most of these sites have their own platform that you create an account with and you give them your banking details and stuff like that. Most of them are super safe. Again, be wary of giving people sensitive information. I'm not a financial advisor, but just be careful with your personal information online. So now that I've spoken a little bit about what affiliate marketing is, let's move into how to succeed at it. Now, the biggest thing I have to say about affiliate marketing is that to be able to succeed, you need to be selling products that you believe in and that you have used or trust. If you have personal experience with these products and can vet these products, there is more of a chance that you will be selling multiple of those products. There is also no purchase necessary with some of these. So I constantly am linking sales, I'm linking sales, I'm linking promotions, I'm linking app specific promotions. that I will go over a little bit later. I am linking things that I know people that follow me will want to buy, possibly. Speaking of app-only sales, I just got a notification from Like to Know It saying that there's a specific sale through a site called Blue Mercury, and they will do these promotions where they will up commission for their partners. So you can make more money on certain products during these sales. So that is a tip on how to succeed. Like I said, you don't have to buy products to sell them, but you also have to think like a business person. So you have to be able to either put these collages together, or you have to be able to talk about these products that you just need your audience. You need to talk about them like a businessman, so your audience will have a need to, thought to go and buy them. I don't know what the word is I'm looking for. And make your audience feel like they just need to run out and buy this through your link immediately. Another tip is to check your analytics and see what people are clicking on and not buying. You can also relink some of those things if they are being clicked on a bunch and not being purchased. You can always just remind people that, hey, these are still there, these are in stock. That's also a good time to link if there are any promotions going on that may entice people to buy them more. And personally, my favorite thing about the affiliate marketing stuff is you don't have to spend a ton of money on products to be able to succeed at it. I've made a lot of money off of things that I haven't bought, but are from brands that I trust and shop at often that I know and love. Another big thing is the quality of your Instagram content. Now, I'm going to put up an example of a pair of shoes that I took a photo of. I got the inspo off of Pinterest. I took the photos, and a couple days after I posted it, I checked my analytics on Like to Know It, and I had made a decent chunk of money off of sales of these shoes. I think I sold like 4 or 5 pairs. So that is something that you want to focus on, is the quality of the product, of the photos that you're posting. The higher the quality and the better composition of the photo, the more likely people are going to want to run out and buy them. The next thing I want to talk about is the FTC disclosures. Now, when I'm linking things on my Instagram stories, I have a little thing on the bottom, or I have a little sentence on the bottom. It doesn't have to be in very large print, but it just has to be there. It says that I do make a small commission through purchases made through this link. It's also not a bad idea to shout that out every once in a while, just as a reminder to people that if they are shopping through your links, you do make a commission through that. The FTC is cracking down on that more the more this affiliate marketing stuff is growing. You don't want to get in trouble with the FTC for not disclosing that you're making money off of something. That's basically what I'm trying to say. So you can succeed at affiliate marketing without having a huge audience. You can also succeed at it without putting a bunch of money into it up front. But the bigger the audience you have, the more money you're gonna make. Obviously, the more people that are engaging with your content and following you on other platforms that you are also shouting out your affiliate programs with, you are going to make more money through that. It doesn't happen overnight. That's the biggest thing that I want to reiterate here, is that there are going to be weeks where you just don't make anything, and that's fine. You do have to focus on long-term, those payouts, hitting those goals. You will be able to hit them eventually, and not spreading yourself too thin. Again, a lot of brands like Revolve, there are certain makeup companies that do where you get 10% of commission off of sales. And there are a lot of sites that have their own affiliate programs. While I don't suggest spreading yourself really thin, if you only shop, say you only shop through Revolve, and you promote Revolve a bunch on your Instagram, and people are always asking you, oh, where'd you get that, blah, 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 I would recommend trying to sign up for their affiliate program and get accepted, because you will probably make more money through that than you would linking it through another site, because the percentages that you could make will be larger. But at that same time, don't spread yourself too thin, because then you're just going to overwhelm people with the different platforms. That's why I suggest joining Like to Know It or Shop Style, excuse me, because those have more of a universal multiple brand. I mean, Like to Know It has thousands of brands that you can link. So there's just one spot that everyone can go to shop your stuff. Making it easy for your followers to know where to find links to things is a big thing. I cross-promote a bunch of stuff onto Like to Know It that I even have through other affiliate programs, because it's just a central place that someone can go look for it. Shout out, I did get this information off of a website I will put down below. I got a lot of the statistics and stuff off of there. So shout out to that website, and you can go check that out for more information. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's probably not very long, but I wanted to get this information out here for you. Again, if there's anything other questions you have about influencing or marketing, influencer marketing, content creation, let me know. I can do more videos on this in the future, and I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I hope you learned something. Let me know what you want to see down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my other platforms so you never miss an upload from me. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.